Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with another entry for the Pocket Challenge. And this is from the lovely Avril, who is Popsie's Ribbon and Lace on YouTube. And I believe this is entry number 20 as well. So I've cut it open. Let's open it up. Now, Avril did do a VR, which I very much appreciate. So, oh my goodness. So thank you for that, Avril. This looks like it might be the card. So let me open this up. Sorry for the crinkling. Please go over and subscribe to Avril. It's a very super talented lady. And you will find the link to her channel in the description box. And there is a couple of, oh, these are the paper ones she made. Oh my goodness, right. Oh, these are gorgeous, Avril. Look at these, you guys. She has made two paper and two fabric pockets for me. I love this. This is kind of a travel theme one, and she's got all these really cool stamps on here, on the back and on the front. And then she's put a couple of buttons here and a little butterfly charm. And then this just kind of goes on here. And then you can see there's the inside paper. And look at that, hands across the sea. And yes, Avril said it's kind of appropriate because she's in Ireland and I'm in Canada. So if you are on the east coast of Canada, like in Newfoundland, I have heard that on a very clear day you can see the coast of Ireland if you're way out there on the tip of Newfoundland. So that kind of really works for Canada and Ireland. So I love it. Thank you, Avril. That's just beautiful. I love the buttons you've put on here, and the stamps are fantastic. Boy, they're from everywhere. Those are really cool. Thank you for that, my friend. I love it. And I love this little baker's twine you've got on here, too, for the closure. Thank you. And then here is another one with the same kind of theme and more fantastic stamps on it. These are going to be amazing for a junk journal. Love it. And this one's got a little passport charm on it right here. A couple more buttons that she stacked up here. And the twine again that she's used. And this comes off and you can open it up. And there's the image of a lovely lady on the beach with her little dog and some other ladies in the water. It says greetings from the seaside, and it's got this really pretty feather paper on the inside too. Those are gorgeous, Avril. Thank you so much. I love those. Super pretty. Thank you so much. And then these are the two beautiful fabric ones. So let's look at this. And oh, look at this fabric. It's just gorgeous. Look at that fabric. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. Really beautiful. It feels very silky. Oh, I love that. I love the color. It's like a gold. Really pretty. And then, of course, here's the front. And on the flap, she's got this beautiful eyelet here. And then when you lift it up, there's a little girl having a tea party with a couple of little kitty cats and a dog. And I just adore that photo. It's so cute. And she's got a lovely vintage doily here and some flower appliques and pearls and a little golden applique here and some beautiful trims and laces down at the bottom. Really beautiful. I love it. Nice deep pocket. That'll be gorgeous in a journal. Thank you so much, Avril. I love it. And then she's also created this one here, and look at this beautiful fabric with the script. One of my favorite fabrics for sure is script fabric. And then this one is more of a gypsy theme, and I'm so glad that you did a gypsy theme. I love the colors that you've put on here. Look at this beautiful beaded trim at the bottom here. That's absolutely stunning. And a beautiful gypsy lady here. And I love what you've printed these images on. You'll have to tell me what you printed those on. I love the feel of that. It's like a canvas. And then she's got some sort of like a sunflower yellow applique here, and a little glass cabochon, and that's kind of like a copper colored applique there, and then this beautiful burgundy and gold trim, and a little applique with it's like a little leaf, and then a beautiful little amethyst stone here. Love that. Little applique here in a mint green. And then she sent me some pockets that she had made, and these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at these for my junk journal. I love these, Avril. Look at these. I love corner pockets, and of course I love Paris, so look at how she's done these. These are beautiful, made out of vintage book paper. So there's that one. And then there is this one, and she's Mod Podged on top of the book paper. I just love how you've done those. They look so vintage. And you can tuck a tag or something in these, and you just put them on the corner of your junk journal pages. And then this one's got a balloon heart on it. These are napkins, I'm pretty sure, that she's put on here. Oh, I love it. These are amazing, Avril. And again, a nice big pocket here. Nice big pocket. These are beautiful. There's another one. And she's Mod Podged all of these. And look at this one, says Carte Postale in Paris with the beautiful rose. I really love how you've done those. Those are going to be just amazing. I can't wait to use all of these pieces that you guys have been sending in my journals and fabric books. They're just going to really just be amazing. And it's going to be so much fun having a piece of everyone's work in my journals and books. So thank you so much for these, Avril. Everything is gorgeous. And thank you, and I appreciate that, you joining in all the way from Ireland. That's just wonderful and fantastic. So please go over and check out Avril's channel. The link is in the description box. Thanks, Avril, so much. And I'll be back with another video soon, guys. Take care. Bye for now.